Fuji, did you find your way all the way up to the boxes? Your favorite thing, buddy? You gonna climb down or you gonna lay down? What's he gonna do? Lay down or climb down? You gonna use them like steps, buddy? Oh, you're brave. Those are all the boxes for you cats that we have to unbox. Yeah, they're for you, and you're not going to care what's in there at all, are you? No, because you're going to be too busy playing with boxes. We can't keep them all, honey. As it is, you've already got your boxes there that you play with every day. We save them. Fuji. Hello, boy. Hello, handsome. Hello, handsome.